Hey everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to do a technique called pancaking. It's something you do with braids. It's how you get that look that you see in all those Pinterest pictures of the girls with the fancy hair that have those like big wide braids. This is how you do that. So I'm going to show you first using all my hair because that'll give you a more dramatic picture of how it looks like. But then we can also do it on a small braid. So you're going to start by dividing your hair into 3 sections. And for this, most of what you're doing is just regular braiding. So if you need to learn how to do that first, you can look back at my video explaining it, but if you already know, then we're good to go. So you've got your 3 sections. You just start braiding your hair like normal. You can do either a loose braid to get a really big look or a tight braid to get kind of a different idea. So now some people wait until they completely finish braiding the hair before they start pancaking, but with my hair I've found that it's easier to just do a little section and stop and then start doing the pancaking. So for the pancaking, what you're going to do is each of these little sections, you're just going to pull them to be a little bit looser. So the way that you do that is you grab the section and you want to start pulling up and out. But as you pull up and out, you want to drop the hair gradually so you end up with just the outer edge. If you pull the whole section, that'll just mess with the braid below and it won't stay pancaked. So you're going to do it again with this one. So you grab the whole section, but then you gradually let the hair go as you're pulling. You want to make sure you're pulling up and out. Then you want to do the other side too. So grab that section, pull, but gradually let the hair go as you're pulling. So there we go. See how we're getting lots of volume there? And it's important that you pull up and out, because if you pull down too much, then see how this side got smaller again? It's easy to fix. You just go back and pull that side again. Alright, now we're going to grab those 3 sections again and continue the braid. And tie it off. So as you can see, this is the braid before the pancaking and this is the braid after the pancaking. See how you've got a lot more volume and body there? So we're going to keep going. Grabbing the hair, but then slowly letting it go as you pull. Let me do this side again because it's not quite as big as the other ones. So you want to make sure while you're doing this that you're not messing up the other sections. Alright, and then if you need to, you can retie this bottom if any of the pieces came out, and then you can also do some hairspray to keep it in place. So there we go. So that's a big pancake braid. You can also do small pancake braids. So like you can do a pancake braid in this part of your hair, just take this section, braid it like you normally would, pancake it, and then put your hair in a ponytail and bring it up and it's like a headband. Or you can do it just in the middle of your hair by grabbing a small section up here. And it doesn't really matter how big you grab, because with the pancaking you're going to be able to add a lot more volume to it. So see how we've got just a small section here? So like before, we're going to divide that into 3 sections as evenly as possible. And you're going to want to just do a bit of a loose regular braid. And you can see those sections starting to form. So once we've got a few sections formed, we're going to start pulling the hair out. So let's start with this section right here. So you grab the small section of hair, you're going to pull it up and out, gradually letting the hair go as you do. So this next section, we'll pull it, grab, pull it up and out. You want to let go of the hair as you're going. That way you get a nice fan of hair instead of just an empty loop. There we go. You can always go back and fix some of those sections if they get messed up when you're pulling on the lower sections. Then you would tie it off, or you would pin it back, and that's it. Pancake braids.